Okay. Yes, the monster showed up again in my life. I got very overwhelmed with work. In short, I wasn't supposed to put up this video because for so many reasons I didn't think it was perfect enough. But remember that when I started this channel, I had said that I did not want to build my channel based off on perfection. So yeah, this is an imperfect video of me making Yamarita that did not even turn out well, but I mean, how would you know I grew if not through videos like this? Also, it doesn't have like the best angles because my mom's kitchen was still under construction as at the time, and I had to move things and yeah, the video is as imperfect as it can be, but I mean, you're here, I'm here, and I just thought to put out something just to let you know that yes, work has been overwhelming. I mean, I asked for it, yeah, but it has been somewhat overwhelming. I have been very tired recently, and I am sorry if I do not put out as often as I promised to put out stuff, but also the situation in Nigeria has been very underwhelming. The hike in the price of everything, especially food, and I like to cook, so I get into the market and the prices is times 2 times 3 of whatever it is I wanted to buy, and that just makes me very sad. I'm out here wondering how vendors, especially food vendors, people who bake, I'm just here wondering, like, how are you guys doing it? Because I don't sell anything and I feel this way. It is honestly so difficult to function in such a situation, in such a country. It is almost impossible to even function. I mean, you want to create content, there's no light. You go to buy fuel and it is times 2 of what you last bought. Where do we go from here? The funny part about this whole thing is that nobody is listening to us. There was a protest that yielded absolutely nothing. No one is listening. I just really hope that things get better soonest. If not, I don't know. I don't want to envisage what is to happen or what is going to happen if things do not get better sooner or later. But we can only hope for a better Nigeria. So yeah, I just thought to like give you my life update, just that you know that I am fine. I will try to be consistent, and I'm not going to allow getting overwhelmed with work stop me from putting out content. I am not going to allow Nigeria stop me from doing what it is I love to do. I'm not going to allow the imperfections of my videos or my recipes to stop me. I am not going to stop at all. I am going to take pauses when necessary. I am going to go back to the drawing board when necessary. But stop, I am never stopping. I just want to also say thank you to my friends who texted me to ask what's up with our content. I am back by God's grace, and I will be better and I will be more consistent. Thank you very much for keeping in touch. I do not take it for granted. So yeah, that's been the update recently. That's been my life update. Please don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't, leave a comment, tell me how you've been, tell me how you're navigating through Nigeria as a whole if you're a Nigerian, and just generally encourage me in the comment section because it will mean a lot to me. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next. Bye.